Welcome to Curious Minds. I'm standing in a place that shouldn't exist, the world's largest airplane graveyard stretching for miles under the Arizona sun. This isn't just a final resting place, it's a hub of preservation, recycling, and rebirth for over 4,000 aircraft. Today we'll uncover why this desert is perfect for storing planes and what really happens to them after their final flight. This is the secret life of the Boneyard, a story of engineering, economics, and environmental science. This is the 309th Aerospace Maintenance and Regeneration Group, AMARG, at Davis-Monthan Air Force Base, Tucson. Covering 2,600 acres, it's the largest facility of its kind, with rows of B-52, F-16, A-10, and C-5, each with a unique history. But this isn't just a museum. It's a working facility and a $34 billion strategic asset. Aircraft are carefully prepared, weapons and sensitive tech removed, fuel systems flushed, and every seam sealed with protective coating. This process puts each plane into suspended animation, preserving it for whatever comes next. Here, silence isn't the end, it's a pause. Why Tucson? 3 reasons: dry air, hard soil, and relentless sun. Low humidity prevents rust, alkaline soil supports massive plains without pavement, and the sun quickly evaporates moisture. This unique combination makes AMARG the perfect, cost-effective preservation site. Geography in this case is destiny. Planes at AMARG face 4 possible futures. Some are stored long-term, ready to fly again if needed, a sleeping air force. Others become parts donors, keeping active fleets flying worldwide. Some are fully regenerated and sold to allied nations, extending their service for decades. The rest are dismantled and recycled, their metals and materials reborn in new forms. Every aircraft here is more than scrap, it's a resource. Nothing goes to waste. Why not sell these planes? Security and cost. Many contain sensitive tech, tightly controlled by law. Operating a fighter jet is expensive, beyond the reach of most buyers. Most sales are to allied governments, and many planes are kept for spare parts, not profit. Their greatest value is as a strategic reserve. Environmental protection is central at AMARG. Before storage, all hazardous fluids are drained and replaced with safe preservatives. When scrapping, specialists remove toxic materials, everything from asbestos to PCBs, before recycling begins. Over 90% of an aircraft's weight can be reused or recycled, thanks to industry-wide best practices. The Boneyard is a pioneer in sustainable aviation. Here, nothing is wasted, and what can't be reused is disposed of responsibly. Boneyards aren't unique to the US, they're global. Spain's Teruel Airport and Australia's Alice Springs facility serve similar roles for commercial fleets. But AMARG stands alone in scale and military significance, holding over 4,000 aircraft as a strategic reserve. Most other boneyards focus on commercial jets. AMARG is a national security asset. It's a hidden world, vital to aviation everywhere. The future of boneyards is changing. New planes use advanced composites, tougher to recycle but lighter and stronger. Engineers are now designing aircraft for easier disassembly and recycling. Tomorrow's boneyard will be a high-tech disassembly plant, feeding valuable materials back into the economy. The goal: build, fly, disassemble, reuse, a circular aviation lifecycle. The Boneyard story is one of ingenuity and sustainability. The airplane Boneyard isn't a graveyard. It's a living ecosystem. It's a library of parts, a strategic reserve, and a recycling center for the world's most advanced machines. Here, endings become new beginnings, and nothing is ever truly lost. The silent city of wings is a testament to long-term thinking and sustainable engineering. If you enjoyed this, like and subscribe to Curious Minds for more.